Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Corner. I am Mukul Sarma, subject teacher. Today I shall discuss about the sign of trigonometric function. It is known as ASTC rule. This is the most important for solving many problem. এটো খুব দৰকাৰী গতিকে ASTC ৰুলটো কি আৰু এইটোৰ সম্পৰ্কে মই আজি আলোচনা কৰিম বুলি ভাবিছোঁ। ইয়াৰ কাৰণে আমি এই যেটো কোৱাড্ৰেন্ট মই ইয়াত থাকব এইটো কোৱাড্ৰেন্ট নম্বৰ 1 কোৱাড্ৰেন্ট 1 এটা হ'ব কোৱাড্ৰেন্ট নম্বৰ 2 quadrant 3 আৰু quadrant 4. That is in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all the trigonometric functions are positive. So all plus, that is all positive. All the sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, all the 6 trigonometric functions are positive. In the second quadrant, sine n its reciprocal cosec n are positive. In the third quadrant, tangent and its reciprocal cotangent are positive. And in the fourth quadrant, cosine and its reciprocal secant are positive. And this is ASTC. This is called ASTC rule. Now, why in the first quadrant also are positive and why in the second quadrant sine cosecant are positive? We shall discuss about this. In the first quadrant, like let's take a one p. This is p point. Let we take p xy. This is x. This is y. Let's say this is r. In the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, x is greater than 0, x greater than 0, y also greater than 0. Therefore, if we take it as theta, then sine theta is equal to sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, perpendicular by hypotenuse, therefore y by r, which is also greater than 0, that is positive. Cos theta means base by hypotenuse, that is x by r. X is positive, r is positive, therefore as a whole this is positive. Tan theta means p by perpendicular by base, therefore y by x, which is also positive. Similarly, its reciprocals are also positive. In the second quadrant, take us this is point, this is p, this is theta, this is point x minus x, this is minus x, y, this is minus x, this is y. This point is minus x, y. In the second quadrant, x less than 0 but y greater than 0. Therefore, sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse y by r, which is greater than 0. This is, since y greater than 0, therefore y plus r is greater than 0. Cos theta, this is base by hypotenuse, that is minus x by r minus x, this is negative, less than 0. Tan theta, this is perpendicular by base y by minus x less than 0. Therefore, in the second quadrant, in the first quadrant, all are positive. In the second quadrant, sin does in the second quadrant sin and its reciprocal cosecant are positive, other negative in the second quadrant. So it is sin and cosecant positive, all other negative. In the third quadrant, they say this point P, this is right, P, this is minus x minus y point, minus x minus y, this is minus y, and this is minus x. In the third quadrant, x less than 0, y less than 0. Therefore, sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse minus y by r less than 0. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is base by hypotenuse, that is minus x by r less than 0. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base minus y by minus x, which is greater than 0. Therefore, in the third quadrant, tangent function is greater than and is reciprocal. Thus, in the third quadrant, tangent and its reciprocal cotangent are positive, all other negative. This is in the third quadrant. So we have write tangent and cotangent are positive, all other negative in this side. In the fourth quadrant, they say this is the point. This is the point. This is P, x minus y point is, therefore this is minus y. But in the fourth quadrant, x greater than 0, but y less than 0. Therefore, sin theta is equal to y by r less than 0. Cos theta is equal to cos theta. It is base by hypotenuse. Base is x by r. It is greater than 0. Tan theta. It is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base minus y by x less than 0. Now we see that in the fourth quadrant cos theta and its reciprocal does in the fourth quadrant cos theta and its reciprocal second sec theta are positive. All other negative. All other negative. This is the ASTC rule. We have in the quadrant also cosine and secants are. This is the reason for all are positive in the first quadrant. Sine and cosecant are positive. All other negative in the second quadrant. Tangent and cotangent are positive in the third quadrant. All other negative. Cosine and secant are positive in the fourth quadrant. All other negative. This is ASTC rule. Now